Hey, what's up guys? Got a great video for you today. We are going to be putting this together and installing it on my trailer. Equipment Defender backpack blower rack. The reason why I'm getting this one, or the reason why I got this one as opposed to the Green Touch Industries, is just because the Green Touch Industries one, I don't think really designed for a backpack blower that's as big as the 9010 and even the 8010 when I had that one. They're just really big backpack blowers. I'm hoping that this one is going to be a lot better for the blower, especially with the bar that comes across here to lock it into place instead of that bar that comes out on the Green Touch Industries. Putting that together today, installing it where that one is right now. Packaging's a lot smaller than the Green Touch Industries, I believe. So here we got the lock. Going with the key lock instead of combination. Combination's like $10 or $15 more. So I already have 3 holes for the other blower, so hopefully I can use all of those, or even 2 would be great. Comes with some of the keys that you need to tighten certain things. They give you thread lock. You're supposed to put this on all the stuff that you actually tighten. I haven't tightened anything down hard just yet. I'm getting it put together, and once I kind of get it put together, I'll probably back them off and put some of this in there. With the stuff they provide, make sure you cut the tip off. says to drill the holes with a 2764 drill bit. I'm gonna try my 7/16. I think that's what I use for the other holes for the Green Touch Industries. So that's what I'm gonna use. One thing I like to see them do is they only give me 2 of these. This came from my other one. But that way I can have like 3 points bolted in instead of just 2. And also a third washer. They give you 4 of these, but only 2 of these. Then you have the smaller ones for just like angle iron trailers. But it'd be nice to have like at least 3 of these. Alright, so it talks about putting in a thread lock for set screws. It's not very clear exactly what a set screw is. These ones right here are set screws. These ones are not. You have them on the same side. Set screws, not set screw. These are set screws. These are set screws. It does say you can pack these with epoxy if you need for added security, so someone, you know, can't undo this and then try and take off the bar. I might try thread locker. Might try thread locker in there as well in all these. So I think for the most part I'm done. Just need to get this angle brace installed, tighten everything up, and put thread lock in some of these, and then lift this up and get it set, and put my blower in there, see how it fits, and then adjust this so you can have it come out here like this. I'm not going to do that because I think it's going to get in the way of, you know, having to get into the back of the truck and gas and stuff. So I'll probably set it off to the side here we can just set in there and then have the tube just rest in there like that. Alright, so I think I'm just about done here. Installed this angle bracket. I'll show you it all when I get the blower in there. But I have 3 contact points. So hopefully this thing, you know, is real sturdy and secure. That's like that. They do say that this bar is supposed to be kind of at an angle. So that's why this is set a little in this way. Put some thread lock here, 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 here. I did not do it there, so I can easily adjust the tube holder if I need to. And I did it in all 4 of these ones. So I wish the directions were a little more clear on like what like bolts and things to use. It's kind of self-explanatory, but for someone who might not know exactly like what they're doing, I think it might be a little difficult for them. Since I've done the Green Touch Industries a couple years ago, I kind of knew what I was doing. But yeah, just if they can, you know, show, like they just show, you know, putting where this like stuff goes, and they don't really tell you which hardware to use. Though some of the bags are labeled. I'd probably say intermediate as far as getting it installed. It might take you a little bit longer, but I think it would probably be pretty easy for industry veterans. Let me go ahead and get the backpack blower in there and I'll show you what it's like. Alright, so I do think it fits my 9010 quite a bit better than the Green Touch. Alright, so as you can see right here, it is pretty secure. No one's going to be able to lift that out. We got the bar right across here. This is the biggest thing I was wanting to have from the Equipment Defender instead of the Green Touch Industries, because just like all these scuffs is, you know, from bringing that bar coming across and just scuffing up right there. This blower's like a week old, and you know, it's already got some damage right there. As far as this goes, this is just real difficult, I think, because it's like such a big hose and tube. It's just kind of awkward to like fit it in something like this. So I'm gonna be messing around with this when I'm out tomorrow, and Jordan and I are, you know, constantly taking it out and putting it back in to see where the best position for this would be. When I was using that, you know, having to put the tube like this, I think that's what wore this out right here on my other blower, where I had to replace this whole section. So I'm hoping that's not going to be much of an issue with this setup. So yeah, I haven't tightened this yet. I did tighten this, but I'm going to see how this handles tomorrow. I will tighten it up, and if I need to adjust it throughout the day for Jordan and I'll go ahead and do that. Got the angle bracket installed too, you know, so that way, you know, no one can like reach down there and, you know, try and pull it out, which they're not going to be able to because it's such a massive blower, and this thing is in here pretty securely. Like that's not going to go anywhere. I like this right here where that's just like hugging it pretty close to the gas tank. Yeah, that's the Equipment Defender blower rack. So I did use Brian's 10 when I ordered this, got 10% off. I don't want to be carrying around 2 keys, so I'm you know, I might actually be buying Equipment Defender trimmer rack too. You know, just because, so I can have like 1 key for both, hopefully. Took my time on this, probably took me maybe an hour and a half. I think if I wasn't recording and just like focused on putting it together, I'd probably say maybe 45 minutes to an hour, getting everything tightened together and adjusted for the kind of backpack blower that you have. It wasn't too bad. I just wish the directions were a little more in-depth, like I said earlier. But the directions do offer step-by-step. They were good. It's pretty easy to put it together. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. I'd appreciate it. Also, consider subscribing to the channel. But yeah, that's gonna do it from me. Hope you guys have a great week out in the field, and stay cool, stay hydrated, and we'll catch you in the next one. Later.